With this week's Eye Care Update, I'm Gretchyn Bailey, Editor-in-Chief and Content Channel Director of Optometry Times. Vision Expo organizers, the Vision Council and Reed Exhibitions, canceled Vision Expo West 2020, previously scheduled to take place in Las Vegas from September 23rd to 26th. The decision comes after Vision Expo East and the American Optometric Association's Optometries Meeting 2020 were canceled in March and June, respectively. Meeting organizers cite health and safety concerns as the main reason for the cancellation. Attendees and exhibitors who had previously registered for the event may still take part in a digital platform that will virtually replace in-person experiences. Continuing education, product showcases, and service and product sourcing will take place on the new platform. More details on specific offerings and partners will be forthcoming, and personalized communications will be sent to each registered attendee from the Vision Expo team. CooperVision has launched a virtual exhibit booth to provide would-be attendees a similar experience from the comfort and safety of their own homes. The virtual booth, available at coopervisionbooth.com, features a 3D rendering of CooperVision's actual exhibit, as well as multimedia materials that showcase the latest news and product information from the company. Visitors will have the opportunity to learn how CooperVision is supporting eye care professionals and their practices, explore CooperVision's newest lens, Biofinity Toric Multifocal, dive into information on the Brilliant Futures Myopia Management Program, learn more about the expansion of prescription options for Clarity One-Day Toric, get to know CooperVision's 2020 Best Practices honorees, and discover more about CooperVision's commitment to sustainability. CooperVision plans to update the virtual exhibit booth with new information and materials as they are developed. In related news, CooperVision has begun producing hand sanitizer at its manufacturing sites in the United Kingdom and Puerto Rico. A portion of the gel is used to support internal requirements and employee hygiene needs, ensuring consistent supply and freeing commercial stocks for distribution elsewhere. Additional volumes are being donated to community organizations and customers. Following a laboratory redesign of CooperVision's Hampshire, UK site, the project team repurposed machinery and developed new operating procedures. In 3 weeks, the company was producing bottles of hand sanitizer in volume and in line with the World Health Organization formulation and regulatory guidelines. Community recipients include areas of the National Health Service, schools, community facilities, care homes, and charities. In the coming weeks, the U.S. sales team will distribute complimentary bottles of Puerto Rico manufactured hand sanitizers to customers, supplementing what practices can obtain from other sources. Johnson & Johnson Vision makes donations to Optometry Cares, the American Optometric Association Foundation, and the American Academy of Optometry Foundation. As an AOA recovery partner, Johnson & Johnson Vision will make a donation to Optometry Cares, the charitable foundation of the AOA, Optometry's philanthropic and charitable organization. The donation will provide financial support to practitioners impacted by COVID-19 and help ensure that eye care remains available in the wake of the pandemic. Johnson & Johnson Vision is also making a donation to the AAOF to support its efforts in procuring and distributing masks to practitioners and schools of optometry in the U.S., Puerto Rico, and Canada. BioTissue shares results of a single-center retrospective review of patients with recalcitrant corneal ulcers who underwent treatment with Procara Slim, a self-retaining cryopreserved amniotic membrane. A total of 13 eyes in 13 patients were included for analysis, 9 of which progressed to neurotrophic keratitis, according to the company. Results were published in the May 2020 issue of Clinical Ophthalmology. Research results indicate that Procara may be a valuable in-office treatment option with fewer risks of surgical complications, according to the study. Santen Pharmaceutical announces that the U.S. Food and Drug Administration has accepted the pre-market approval application for DE-128 microshunt for review. DE-128 is an investigational surgical glaucoma implant designed to reduce intraocular pressure, or IOP, in patients with primary open-angle glaucoma, whose IOP is not controlled when using maximum tolerated glaucoma medications. The AOSA Optometry Student Bowl celebrates 29 years with a virtual competition this year. The Student Bowl, sponsored by Essilor, was held virtually for the first time in its history. The event was broadcast on June 25, 2020, from Essilor headquarters in Dallas, with more than 1,500 attendees tuned in to watch the student contestants from 25 schools and colleges of optometry. Connor Christensen from University of Houston College of Optometry took home $1,000 and Volt diagnostic lenses. University of Houston will hold the Ventura Cup until next year's competition in Anaheim, California. Second place winner Alec Waters from Southern College of Optometry won $750, and third place winner Caitlin Flood from University of Missouri St. Louis College of Optometry earned $500. This year's panel of judges included lead judge Dr. Linda Kasser, professor at Pennsylvania College of Optometry at Salus University, Dr. Diane Adamczyk, professor at State University of New York College of Optometry, Dr. Bob Lehman, president-elect of the American Optometric Association, and Dr. Sue Oleszewski, retired professor emerita from Pennsylvania College of Optometry at Salus University. Congratulations to all winners. Now, let's hear from Editor Emeritus Dr. Ernie Bowling, who talks with Dr. Chad Overman.